Hi viewers, welcome to Shami Cooking Mantra. Today I am going to make cutlet not with potatoes but with sweet potato. Sweet potatoes are very rich in fiber. It's very good for health. It has many good qualities. It reduces cancer risk and as I told it's rich in fiber, so it's good for your gut and it gives more stamina. People who exercise can go for this sweet potato. To retain the qualities of sweet potato, we need to steam it, not bake or fry. Just like idlis or momos, you need to keep what to say, any tawa or a vessel with water. Over that, you can keep a plate with a vegetable, that is sweet potato, and then steam it for about 10 minutes. Then peel this and I am going to show you how to make. The ingredients: 2 sweet potatoes, turmeric powder, little, a pinch or a half a spoon, 1 spoon of chili powder, 1 spoon of amchur powder, garam masala, 1 spoon, breadcrumbs, maida, salt and roasted chana dal, 1 big onion, mint leaves and green chilies, 2 or 3. To shallow fry, we need any oil for your choice. To make a cutlet, we need a binding agent to hold this sweet potato. For that, I am not using any other flour. I am using a roasted chana dal. This roasted chana dal is very rich in iron. It is good for kids as well as for elders. Anybody can have this. So this chana dal, that is roasted chana dal, I am going to blend this and make it like a flour. The process for this cutlet is sweet potato and smash it and add this chana dal powder, that is I am going to put it in a blender, make it like a flour. Then I am going to add this to sweet potato, smash it nicely. Then to a tawa add oil, then chopped onion, finely chopped, then little pudina, green chilies, and then saute for 1 or 2 minutes. Then add the sweet potato and roasted chana dal together, chili powder, salt, garam masala, little turmeric, amchur powder off the stove, and then make balls or whatever shape you want with whatever binding agent you are interested. If you want egg, you can add egg as a binding agent. I am going to add maida, make it a paste and then dip it. Then over that I am going to dust it with breadcrumbs, then shallow fry. Process is very simple, it takes less time and it's very healthy. Let's make sweet potato cutlet. Sweet potatoes are ready for cutlet. I have steamed this like idlis. I have chopped it and kept it in a steamer. Just in 10 minutes I got this nice sweet potato. Now I am going to peel this. Sweet potato is ready. I have steamed it. Onions I have chopped, chilies, pudina, everything is ready. Now I am going to grind this chana dal with a small jar. I am going to make it a fine powder. It has become very fine. We need like this, and I am going to add this with sweet potato. Smash it together. I smashed sweet potato and roasted chana dal powder together. Now I am going to add salt, little chili powder, turmeric powder, chili powder, amchur powder, and little garam masala powder. Let everything blend together. If you like ginger garlic paste, you can add, or coconut, anything. If you like Italian flavors also, you can add to this. But this is a very simple one. So keep it aside, this mixture. Now I am going to saute onion. Then I am going to add to this make cutlets. To a pan, add oil. Very little is enough, just the onion has to saute. Onion, chili, that is green chili, and mint leaves. Little mint I am adding fresh without sauteing to this sweet potato. To this you can add that is green peas or paneer. Just a little saute. It's fine, you can switch it off. Now I'm adding this to sweet potato roasted chana mixture. Make it like ball and then tap. If you doesn't like green chilies to be chopped or for kids it won't be suitable, then you can mix green chili sauce, little, a pinch of green chili sauce. So you will be having the spice as well as you can't find the green chili or it won't be disturbing while you eat. So for when you do for kids, you just avoid chopping green chilies. Instead of that, add green chili sauce or make it a paste or something like that, or avoid it. So now this is ready. To this I am going to make this binding agent, that is, instead of egg, if you are a non-veg, you can add egg and then soak this, then add to breadcrumbs. Instead of egg, I am going to add this maida, add water to that, make it a, what to say, for binding agent. I am doing like this. You can add corn also, but maida is okay. Not like a dosa batter, it should be little thin. Can be runny. So I am having breadcrumbs. Soak this all these patties, then to the breadcrumbs. Let's fry this. Let us shallow fry all these cutlets. So it's ready. You can serve this. Sweet potato cutlet is ready. Let's taste this. I'm going to add curd or a raita. Just curd is enough for this. Let's taste how it is. Please try this. It's very quick to make and it's very healthy. Please try this and comment to me. Thank you.